Stop trading time for pennies. From $40 mini factories to smart machines that print money on autopilot, I found 21 genius machines on AliExpress for under $500 that can launch your business today. Let's build your empire. Smart Oil Press Machine, $230. This machine is a literal liquid gold maker. The Smart Oil Press allows you to extract fresh, high-quality oil from nuts, seeds, and grains right in your own kitchen. It features a built-in heater and a powerful motor that does all the heavy lifting for you. With the automatic temperature control, you can set it and forget it, ensuring you get the maximum amount of oil with the exact characteristics you want. At $230, this is a powerhouse for anyone looking to enter the health food or organic beauty market. You can produce 100% natural cooking oils or even base oils for skincare products like almond or jojoba oil. It's a miracle machine because it turns raw materials, which are often cheap, into a premium, high-demand product that you can bottle and sell for a significant profit. Semi-automatic powder packaging machine. If you've ever tried to bag flour or spices by hand, you know it's a dusty, inconsistent nightmare. This Zoni's stainless steel machine is the professional solution to that headache. Using a clever microcomputer, it measures out your product with incredible precision and drops it into bags at high speeds. It's built from industrial-grade stainless steel, meaning it's super easy to clean and will stand up to years of hard work in a food processing environment. The real win here is the massive jump in productivity. Instead of weighing every single bag on a kitchen scale, this machine automates the boring part of your business, allowing you to focus on marketing and growth. It gives your final product that factory-sealed look that customers trust. Whether you're selling specialty coffee grounds, protein powders, or custom spice blends, this machine is the bridge between a home hobby and a legitimate brand. Ultra-fine flour milling machine. If you want to tap into the artisan baking or health food scene, you need to be milling your own flour. This 1500W milling machine is a total beast, capable of both dry and wet milling. It can grind wheat, soybeans, corn, and rice into a powder so fine it's perfect for gourmet pasta, specialty breads, or even gluten-free flour blends. It's all about giving you control over the quality and freshness of your ingredients. The efficiency here is what really stands out. High-quality flour is the foundation of so many food products, and being able to produce it yourself ensures your baked goods have a superior taste and texture. Whether you're starting a small bakery or a specialty food brand, this machine gives you the high-volume output you need to keep up with demand while maintaining that farm-to-table quality customers love. Semi-automatic single-nozzle liquid filler, $48. If your business is all about liquids, like perfumes, essential oils, or bottled water, and you're working with a razor-thin budget, look no further. For just $48, this semi-automatic machine gives you a single-nozzle setup that takes the guesswork out of filling. It's fast, consistent, and way more professional than using a funnel and a prayer. It's a great way to ensure every bottle has the exact same volume, which is key for keeping your customers happy and staying compliant with trade laws. This little machine is the definition of starting from scratch. It's small enough to fit in a cupboard when you're not using it, but efficient enough to help you scale your production as orders start rolling in. If you're launching a boutique perfume line or a local bottled juice brand, this is the most affordable way to move away from slow, manual pouring and start acting like a bigger company. Manual jar filling machine for thick liquids. This machine is a total home run for anyone looking to start a beauty or gourmet food line on a budget. It's a manual filler designed specifically for viscous liquids, the thick stuff that usually clogs up cheaper pumps. We're talking about honey, thick hair creams, shampoos, or even heavy sauces. It's incredibly simple to use. You just pull the lever, and it dispenses the perfect amount into your jars or bottles every single time. What makes this so attractive for a startup is how ultra-budget it is. You don't need a complicated electrical setup or a massive factory floor. You can set this up on your kitchen counter, fill 50 jars of organic honey or handmade face cream in minutes, slap on your custom brand labels, and you're officially in business. It's the ultimate low-cost entry into the world of manufacturing. Semi-automatic labeling machine for round surfaces. Let's be honest, hand-applying labels is the worst. They always end up crooked or with annoying air bubbles. This semi-automatic labeling machine solves that problem instantly. It's designed specifically for round surfaces like bottles, jars, and vials. You just place the bottle in, and the machine accurately wraps the label around it with perfect alignment every time. You can even adjust the speed to match your workflow. This machine is a total efficiency booster. It allows you to label hundreds of products in a fraction of the time it would take to do them by hand. In the world of retail, the label is your salesperson. It needs to be straight and professional. Whether you're bottling craft beer, hot sauce, or skincare serums, this machine ensures your products look like they belong on a high-end store shelf. Perfume capping tongs. Nothing screams amateur like a perfume bottle with a loose or leaky cap. These ergonomic capping tongs are a small tool that makes a massive impact on your brand's perceived quality. They are designed to provide a tight, professional seal on perfume bottles that prevents the fragrance from evaporating or leaking during shipping. They feel great in the hand and are built from high-quality materials that won't rust or wear out after a few uses. Think of these tongs as the finishing touch for your luxury brand. When a customer unboxes your perfume, they want it to feel high-end, and a perfectly secured cap is a big part of that experience. By ensuring a hermetic seal, you're not just preventing leaks, you're preserving the integrity of the scent. It's an essential, low-cost investment for anyone serious about entering the fragrance or essential oil market. Manual U-shaped sausage trimming machine. If you're moving into the world of charcuterie or artisanal meats, this manual U-shaped trimmer is a lifesaver. It's a simple mechanical tool designed to clamp and trim the ends of sausage loaves into that classic, neat shape you see in professional delis. It features an adjustable opening, so you can work with everything from thin snack sticks to thick salami rolls. This machine is perfect because it doesn't require electricity, making it reliable and easy to use in any home kitchen or small production facility. It gives your sausages a clean, uniform look that looks much better than just tying them off with string. For a small-scale butcher or a home-based meat enthusiast looking to sell their products, this machine provides that professional finish that justifies a premium price tag. Horizontal Automatic Food Bag Packer. This machine is a high-tech solution for small to medium-sized food businesses that need to pack items into plastic bags quickly. It's a horizontal packer, meaning it's designed to slide products into bags with extreme accuracy and speed. It's surprisingly compact for what it does, making it a great fit for catering companies or small snack manufacturers who don't have room for a massive assembly line. The beauty of this bagger is its versatility. It can handle different bag sizes and types of products, from dried fruits to baked goods. It streamlines the most time-consuming part of the production process, allowing you to get your products out the door and into the hands of customers faster. It's a professional-grade piece of equipment that brings big factory efficiency to your small-scale operation. Industrial Date and Code Printing Machine. Ever wonder how companies get those perfectly crisp, best before dates and lot numbers on their packaging? This machine is the answer. It's designed to print vital information onto almost any material: paper, plastic, metal, you name it. It features high-accuracy printing parameters that you can customize to fit your specific needs, ensuring your brand looks professional and stays compliant with local food and safety regulations. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about organization. Being able to track your lot numbers is crucial as your business grows. Whether you're printing on flat cardboard boxes or plastic bags, this machine gives your packaging a big brand feel. It's a small investment that makes a massive difference in how retailers and distributors perceive the quality of your operation. Portable Electromagnetic Induction Sealer. This machine feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. It uses electromagnetic induction to create instant heat, perfectly sealing aluminum foil liners onto the tops of bottles without ever touching them. It's the gold standard for creating that tamper-evident seal you find on medicine bottles or high-end food jars. It works on various bottle shapes and materials, ensuring your product stays fresh and leak-proof during shipping. For any entrepreneur, this machine is all about building customer trust. When a customer peels back that foil seal, they know the product is fresh and hasn't been messed with. It's an absolute must-have if you're entering the supplement, pharmaceutical, or gourmet sauce industry. Plus, because it's portable, you can easily move it around your workspace or store it away when you're done with a production run. Ultra-portable handheld inkjet printer. This is arguably the coolest tool on the list. It's a handheld printer that lets you swipe text, logos, and even QR codes onto almost any surface in one smooth motion. Whether you're printing on a wooden crate, a plastic bottle, or a metal pipe, this device handles it with ease. It's ultra-portable, battery-powered, and incredibly fun to use, making it the most versatile labeling tool you could own. Imagine being able to brand your shipping boxes or add a QR code to your products on the fly. It gives you the flexibility to change your labels instantly without ordering thousands of pre-printed stickers. For a fast-moving startup that's constantly evolving its branding or needs to mark various types of inventory, this handheld printer is an absolute game-changer for efficiency. Semi-automatic bottle code printer. While the previous machine is great for flat surfaces, this one is the specialist for bottles. It's specifically engineered to handle the curved surfaces of glass or plastic containers in a semi-automatic mode. You just feed the bottle in, and it applies the code with perfect clarity. No more smudged ink or crooked stamps. This machine ensures every bottle in your batch looks identical. This tool is a lifesaver for craft breweries, wineries, or juice bars. It allows you to keep your production line moving fast without sacrificing quality. Having a clear, professional-looking expiration date on your bottles builds instant credibility with your customers. It's the perfect mid-range solution for a business that has outgrown handheld stamps but isn't ready for a $10,000 assembly line. Semi-automatic electronic dumpling maker. Starting a dumpling business from home has never been easier than with this electronic dumpling maker. In semi-automatic mode, this machine takes your prepared dough and filling and crimps them into perfectly shaped dumplings in seconds. It's designed to be compact enough for a home kitchen, but fast enough to produce a high volume of product for local markets or catering gigs. The real beauty of this machine is the handmade look it provides without the handmade time sink. You can produce hundreds of dumplings per hour that look professional and uniform. If you've ever dreamed of selling your grandma's secret recipe or launching a unique fusion snack brand, this machine provides the speed and precision you need to make that dream a reality on a budget. Automatic dough rolling machine. If you've ever tried to roll out dough for hours, you know it's the most exhausting part of baking. This automatic dough roller takes that burden off your shoulders by creating sheets of perfectly uniform thickness and size every time. It's a powerhouse for small bakeries or home-based pasta businesses, ensuring that every batch of dough is consistent while significantly cutting down on physical labor and ingredient waste. The consistency this machine provides is what will make your food business successful. Customers expect the same quality every time they buy from you, and this roller guarantees that your crusts, wraps, or noodles are always perfect. It's a professional-grade upgrade that turns a slow, manual kitchen process into a streamlined production line, giving you more time to focus on creating new recipes. Tabletop Mini Circular Saw. If you're into scale modeling or small repairs, this tiny powerhouse is a total game-changer. Despite its small footprint, measuring just 5.5 by 7 inches, it packs enough punch to slice through a variety of materials with extreme precision. The best part? It comes with a built-in vacuum connection, so you don't have to worry about sawdust covering your entire workspace. It's compact, fast, and surprisingly professional for its size. Think of this as the surgical tool of the woodworking world. Because it features easy blade-changing capabilities and includes discs for different materials, you can jump from one project to the next without missing a beat. Whether you're building architectural models or fixing small household items, this saw provides that high-speed accuracy you just can't get with a full-size tool. It's the ultimate desktop companion for any maker. Mini Wood Lathe, $40. For just $40, you can literally start a jewelry or decor brand from your kitchen table. This mini lathe is designed specifically for those who want to dive into the art of wood turning without dropping thousands on industrial equipment. It's perfect for crafting wooden rings, intricate beads, or miniature figurines. It's small, quiet, and comes with everything you need to start spinning wood the day it arrives. The real beauty of this machine is how it helps you build a high-income skill on a micro-budget. By learning the basic principles of turning on this compact setup, you can create unique, handcrafted items that sell for a premium on sites like Etsy. It's not just a tool, it's a low-risk way to develop your craftsmanship and see if a woodworking business is the right path for you. Mini Grinder Machine, $40. Every pro knows that the difference between a hobby project and a sellable product is the finish. This $40 mini grinder is your secret weapon for that professional polish. It's a multifunctional workhorse that allows you to sand down rough edges, sharpen your existing tools, and refine your workpieces. It's small enough to sit in the corner of your desk but powerful enough to handle metal, wood, and plastic. Using this machine feels intuitive, making it great for both beginners and seasoned pros. It takes the manual labor out of sanding, saving you hours of hand scrubbing while ensuring your products look sleek and high-end. If you're serious about quality control and want your prototypes to look like they came straight from a factory, this little grinder is an absolute necessity for your home workshop. Vever Jewelry Polishing and Rotary Tool, $50. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a jeweler, this is your all-in-one starter kit. For only $50, Vever gives you a professional-grade machine packed with over 100 different attachments. We're talking about tools for drilling, polishing, engraving, and cutting. Basically everything you need to turn a raw piece of metal or stone into a wearable piece of art. Plus, with 7-day free shipping, you can be in business by next week. The versatility here is what makes it so attractive. You aren't limited to one style. You can experiment with engraving personalized pendants or polishing high-shine rings. It's designed to help you bring your wildest design ideas to life without needing a massive studio. By mastering this single machine, you'll have the technical capability to launch a unique, one-of-a-kind jewelry brand from scratch. Commercial Cup Sealing Machine. Ever wonder how those trendy boba tea shops get that perfect plastic seal on top of their drinks? This Vever cup sealer is exactly how they do it, and it's a massive step up from messy snap-on lids. Built from heavy-duty carbon steel, this machine is a beast. It can seal up to 500 cups every single hour. It's designed to be commercial-grade, meaning it's rust-resistant, stable, and built to handle the rush hour of a busy cafe. This isn't just for tea, though. It's a brilliant tool for any beverage-to-go business. Whether you're selling iced coffee, fresh juices, or even ice cups for cocktails, this machine ensures your product is spill-proof and looks professional. The rubberized feet keep it from sliding around on your counter, giving you a reliable, sturdy setup that instantly upgrades your small cafe or pop-up stand to a professional level. There you have it, 21 ways to stop dreaming and start producing. Every machine mentioned is linked in the description below to save you the search time. Now, I've got even more home production secrets up my sleeve, but I'm making a deal with you. If this video hits 500 likes, I'll drop part 2 immediately. Don't forget to check out the other business ideas on the channel right here, point to end card. Go build something great, and I'll see you in the next one.